Alright guys, gonna run the mini here. 603, go live. We are live. 603, 603, grab list. And we will drop it in. Alright, we're gonna roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. I'm looking for the top 2 spots. Alright, 2 dice. And we got an 8, that's good, 8 times. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice is an 8. Next click, top 2. And 8. Congrats, Ross Grover and Brian R. Brian R gets 1 spot. Ross gets the other ones. We are done. 603. We will type done. We will type done. 603. Just clicked over to 604. Verification code and timestamp.